Good morning, class. Today we are working on lesson 7.10 out of your GoMath textbook. If you have not already, please tear out page 421 and 423 from your GoMath book. Today's lesson is on problem solving, two-step problems, which we solve multi-step problems all the time on our regular lessons. So this should be no big deal, but we're going to go over breaking down these problems step by step. The essential question: how can you use the strategy acted out to solve two-step problems? Remember, in the past, we've done this and we've done the acted out, and it's basically like drawing a photo or working out each part. Madeline bought 2 packs of pens and's a clue word for plus, a notebook for $11. The notebook cost $3. Each pack of pens costs the same amount. What is the price of 1 pack of pens? Okay, so what do I need to find? Well, I need to find the price of 1 pack of pens. What information do I need to use? Okay, well, you want to use the information that you were given within the problem. This is the information we've circled and underlined. So Madeline spent $11 in all. She bought 2 packs of pens and 1 notebook. The notebook costs $3. This is the information they've already given me. So how will I use this information? Well, I will use this information to act out the problem. Okay, describe how to act out the problem. Okay, so let's say you're using counters. You would start with 11 counters. Why? Because that's the total cost. That is what she spent in all. So you're going to start with 11. You're going to take away 3 counters. Why? Because the notebook costs $3. So we have to take that away, right? And then what's left is going to equal the cost of 2 packs of pens. Why? Because she bought 2 packs of pens and a notebook for $11. So let's take away the notebook. So $11 minus $3 is $8. So I know that the cost of 2 packs of pens has to be $8. So now that I know that 2 packs of pens cost $8, I can use this information to find out how much 1 pack of pens costs. So next, make 2 equal groups, because remember there's 2 packs of pens, with the 8 remaining counters. So that means we're going to take the $8, or your 8 counters, and we're going to divide them into 2 equal groups. Okay, those are our packs of pens. And what we get is going to be the cost of 1 pack of pens. So $8 divided by 2 would be 4. So the price of 1 pack of pens is $4. All right, flip it over. Okay, let's try another one. Chad bought 4 packs of t-shirts. He gave 5 t-shirts to his brother. Now Chad has 19 shirts. How many t-shirts were in each pack? What do I need to find? Well, I need to find the number of t-shirts that were in each pack. So the number of t-shirts in each pack. If you need more time to write, you just pause the video. What information do I need to use? Well, I need to use the information they gave me, which is that Chad bought 4 packs of t-shirts, gave 5 to his, well, I shouldn't say 5. I should say 5 t-shirts because it's not packs. 5 t-shirts to brother. 19 remain. Okay? How will I use this information? I'm going to act out the problem. I thought I'd write it nice and big and fun. There you go. All right, so if I'm acting out the problem, I'm using counters. I'm writing it out, however you want to do it. So what's our big number here? What are we starting with? Okay, possible, let's see. Let's start with 19. That's how many has left, right? Because we don't know how many are in each pack. So Chad has 19 t-shirts. That's his final remaining number. Yep. And I know he gave away 5. But if I can find out how many he had before he gave any away, wouldn't that help me figure out how many were in each pack that he bought? Yes. So in order to find out how many he had before he gave them away, he has 19 now, but he gave 5 shirts away. So let's put those 5 shirts back so that we can find out how many shirts there were in all to begin with. So 19 plus 5 equals 24. So I know there were 24 t-shirts total at the beginning with the 4 packs, right? But my question wants to know how many t-shirts were in each pack. Okay, so we have 24 shirts total. Okay, so you would start with 24 counters. And we have 4 packs. So you would put those 24 counters into 4 equal groups to find out how many would be in each group. So 24 divided by 4 would equal 6. So that means in the beginning, before he gave shirts away, that each pack had 6 t-shirts. Okay. All right, next page. Mac bought 4 packs of toy cars. Then his friend gave him 9 cars. Now Mac has 21 cars. How many cars were in each pack? So we can act out the problem by using counters or the picture and by writing equations. So I have a picture over here, but I don't know if there's 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. I guess there is 21. Okay. So first, I'm going to subtract the cars Mac's friend gave him. Okay, so he's got 21 total cars now. You can see them here, okay? And his friend had given him 9. So I need to take those out because those weren't in the original packs. And I want to know how many were in each pack. So I'm going to take out 9, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 of these are gone. So 21 minus 9 is 12. Okay, so when he bought those 4 packs of toys cars, I know he had 12. So here's the big 12. Okay. Now I want to take these 12 cars here and divide them into 4 packs to find out how many is in each pack. Okay, well I could easily circle groups of 4. There we go. How many groups was I able to make? 3. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So there were 3 cars in each pack. What if Mac bought 8 packs of toy boats and then gave his friend 3 boats? Remember, gave, that's a clue word for subtraction. If Mac has 13 boats now, how many boats were in each pack? Okay. So Mac has 13 boats now. But I need to know, how many boats did Mac have when he began? He gave his friends 3. So let's put those 3 back, which would equal 16. Okay. So he has 16 boats to begin with. And he bought 8 packs of toy boats. So if I have 16 boats in 8 packs, how many is in each pack? 2 boats. Let's try another one. Ryan gave 7 of his model cars to a friend. Gave. That tells you what? They took away. Then he bought, but if you buy something, you're adding to it, 6 more cars. Now Ryan has 13 cars. How many cars did Ryan start with? Oh boy. Okay. So let's say Ryan has 13 cars now, right? Okay. He had bought 6 more. So let's get rid of those. So 13 minus 6, what's it going to equal? 7. Good. Okay, so he had 7 cars. Now this 7 is the amount of cars that he had after he gave his friend 7 cars. Okay, so what we just did is we just eliminated this process of buying 6 more cars. So we're back to 7, which is what he had after he gave some away. So let's add back on the 7 that he gave away to figure out how many he started with. So if he gave away 7, we're going to add that back on. So 7 plus 7 shows me that he began with 14 cars. Now, let me show you how this works. He began with 14 cars. He gave away 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. Then he bought 6 more cars. So look at this. Watch. 14 minus 7 equals 7. Okay, so he has 7 cars. But then he bought 6 more, plus 6. And now he has 13. Boom. Okay, so that means our answer is correct. He did start with 14. Okay. Flip it over. Let's do a couple more. Chloe bought 5 sets of books. Each set has the same number of books. She donated 9 of her books. Donated is another clue word for taken away, to her school. Now she has 26 books. How many books were in each set? Okay. So she's got 26 books now, right? So let's write that down. She's got 26 books now. She donated 9. So let's see how many books she had to begin with before she donated any. So let's put the 9 back. So what's 26 plus 9? 35. Good. Okay. So this tells me that Chloe started with 35 books. And that 35 books is what she got when she bought 5 sets of books. So I want to know how many books are in each set, right? So let's take this 35 and divide it by the 5 sets of books. 35 divided by 5 means that there was 7 books in each set. You always want to circle your final answer. Okay. Hilda cuts a ribbon into 2 equal pieces. Then she cuts 4 inches off one piece. That piece is now 5 inches long. What was the length of the original ribbon? Okay, so we're working backwards. This one piece of ribbon that we have left is 5 inches long. But it's only 5 inches long because she cut 4 inches off of it. So let's put those 4 inches back. 5 plus 4, that means the ribbon was originally 9 inches long. Right? But is that the original ribbon? No. That's one piece of the 2 pieces. So if one piece is 9 inches long, but there were 2 equal pieces, 9 times 2, 18 inches is the length of the original ribbon. Okay? Watch. Follow along. So let's say this is the ribbon. Okay, those of you that have a hard time picturing these problems, you need to be drawing this out. So this is the original ribbon, right? She cut it into 2 pieces. Following me? And then one of the pieces, she chopped off 4 inches, and there were 5 inches left. You see what I'm doing? So we pretended we put the 4 inches back on, and we said, well, 5 plus 4, this side equals 9 inches. So if this side is 9 inches, then this side is 9 inches, and the total length of the original ribbon is 9 plus 9, 18 inches. If this is hard for you, draw a picture, okay? Okay, Tiana has 2 boxes of color pencils. One box has 20 color pencils and the other box has 16. Okay, she gives her brother, that's a clue word for subtraction, 3 of the color pencils. She wants to put the color pencils that she has left into 3 equal groups. How many color pencils will Tiana put in each group? We're going to use this show your work box. So she has 2 boxes of colored pencils. Here we go. Box number 1, box number 2. One box has 20. The other box has 16. Okay. Let's add these together to find out how many she has to start with. So to start with, she has 36 pencils. All right, you following me? Okay. Notice I'm working one line at a time. She gives her brother 3 of the pencils, so minus 3 to her brother, right? 36 minus 3, that leaves her 33. Okay, so she has 33 pencils left. The ones that she has left, she wants to put into 3 equal groups. So I'm going to take this 33 and divide it into 3 equal groups. Well, what times 3 equals 33? 11. So that means she's able to put 11 color pencils in each group. Okay, friends, these long problems, do them one step at a time. Draw a picture. It doesn't matter. Whatever kind of picture makes you feel more comfortable with solving the problem. Okay? Just work it out one step at a time. All right, I'll see you later.